I'm just working at my desk, tapping some stuff up on my computer. I'm doing my work. I'm the boss at this place.
Meanwhile, in the car with Janet.
Driving to work in this awful snowstorm, and the cars are all backed up behind me, and they want to pass me, and they want me to go faster, and not good. I'm going to slow down even more. I'm looking out the window, but it's so scary. I don't like it. I don't want to go to work. So I turn the car around, and I'm going home. Bye.
Meanwhile, at the office with some other people, what is going to happen?
Boss? Janet is not coming to work today. You need to call her up in the end.
Okay, I will do that. Okay, I will do that, and she's gonna be fired. Okay.
Meanwhile, with Janet.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
I'm not coming to work today. It's snowing, and I don't want to come to work in the snowstorm. I don't like it. I'm not coming. Bye. What's going to happen to me?
You're
Hello?
fired.
I'm fired? What? Okay, I'll be coming. I'm going to come. All right? Okay, bye. Okay, I'm coming. I'm going to drive with my back of my head eyes. I'm going to drive with the eyes that are in the back of my head. Okay, I'm driving with the eyes that are in the back of my head. And that way I don't really have to see. So here I am, driving in the snowstorm, and I really can't see. And I can't see, and I'm so scared. Boom. There's the car. I'm going to die. Oh, I hope my boss is happy, the big fat jerk. Boom. Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me!
Help you. I'm helping you.
Get your ratty hand off me! Help me!
I am helping you.
Your ratty hand off me! Oh my goodness! I'm bleeding! I'm vomiting! My body's broken and my head hurts and I'm gonna vomit! Kaput.
Meanwhile, at the office with the boss. She lied!
Oh, that's terrible.